Hello, everyone.
A couple special guests here. We've got Mr. Jim Willie on the line. We've got David from David is Dawei and his good friend Dan. And we're going to go about 20 to 30 minutes here if we can. Jim just surprised me. I didn't know he was going to be on the line, and he jumped in with a good question here. So Jim, I want you to, if you're cool with it, I'm going to have you lead and just talk about what we were doing in our little pre-interview there.
Okay,
so
well,
let's lead it with that.
We're all getting swamped with information.
Yes.
That is without doubt. What I'm finding right now is it's a little bit difficult to confirm some things. And, you know, in the buzz of war, there's confusion.
Mm-hmm.
And I think we've got a lot of confusion right now. I'm just jotting down the time so I know when to start. I like taking notes from time to
Go
time.
ahead.
Right now, I'm pretty sure, and you know, we're not sure of anything. I'm pretty sure